National Institute of Naturopathy. The National Institute of Naturopathy, NIN, is a historical place called Bapu Bhavan located at Matushri Ramabai Ambedkar Road, Tadiwala Road, Pune. It was run as a nature cure clinic and sanatorium by the late Dr. Dinshaw K. Mehta. During this time Mahatma Gandhi stayed here for 156 days at multiple occasions. The All India Nature Cure Foundation Trust was established in this sanatorium and Mahatma Gandhi became its lifetime chairman, and he conducted many national and international activities during his stay here. NIN was registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860 at New Delhi on 27 September 1984 and came into existence on 22 December 1986 with the aim to propagate and promote naturopathy and yoga. NIN's aim is to provide treatment facilities for all kinds of diseases through nature cure and yoga, to conduct research and training and to establish a living memorial of Mahatma Gandhi.
National Institute of Naturopathy, located in Pune, has a long history, close to almost 100 years. It is Dr. Dinshaw Mehta who trained himself as a naturopath and started his career in the field of naturopathy in this building where the current naturopathy institution is located. In those days, that is way back in 1920s, it was known as Naturopathy Clinic and Sanatorium. This Naturopathy Clinic and Sanatorium was serving people using natural remedies, modalities and fasting as the main curative measure.
Nature Cure. Nature Cure is an ancient non-invasive rational system of healing that practices natural elements based on the theory of self-healing capacity of the body, vitality, and toxemia. Nature Cure embraces several therapies which include herbology, massage, exercise, and nutritional counseling. Some more popular therapies which fall under naturopathy are mud therapy, manipulative therapy, acupuncture, hydrotherapy, chromotherapy, physiotherapy, heliotherapy, yoga therapy, ozone therapy and magnetic therapy. Functions of the Institute. OPD Clinic. National Institute of Naturopathy houses an OPD clinic that offers consultation services where naturopathy treatment is given to the patients at a subsidized rate of 750 rupees for as a weekly package. The Institute's OPD attracts a large number of patients due to the increasing popularity of naturopathy in Pune. The outpatient department runs for 14 hours daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m.
The vision of our institute is health naturally for all. The mission is make naturopathy and yoga accessible to all. To achieve the institute goals, the OPDs is functioning 14 hours daily from morning 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday except government holidays. We have 18 qualified and specialist doctors for treating the health seekers. We have different departments like hydrotherapy, manipulative, acupuncture, acupressure, mind-body medicine, ozone departments like a Medigym and diet therapy department. And also we are providing the facilities like a daycare where the health seekers can stay the whole day and undergo the naturopathy treatments. So all of you can visit National Institute of Naturopathy Pune to avail these facilities and maintain the healthy life by self-help.
Yoga classes. National Institute of Naturopathy organizes 8 batches of yoga classes daily. Of these batches, 4 sessions are conducted in the morning, including a batch at 9 a.m. exclusively for women and 4 batches in the evening. Acupuncture. NIN, Pune has an independent acupuncture department where patients with various diseases are treated by inserting needles on different meridians. The department is well equipped with instruments like electroacupuncture, cupping therapy and moxibustion. Every patient is diagnosed with traditional diagnostic methods including the 8 principles, pulse diagnosis and treated accordingly.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ashwini, working in acupuncture department here at National Institute of Naturopathy, Pune. Acupuncture is a therapeutic system where fine needles are inserted in the patient's body over specific points. Acupuncture works on the principle of Qi or vital force. The proper flow of Qi leads to health and its disturbances leads to disease. In acupuncture, we use microneedles for correcting the flow of Qi or energy in the meridians to attain health. Here in NIN, we treat a wide range of diseases with acupuncture. Management of disorders in various body systems have shown excellent result with acupuncture.
Medigym. A well-equipped Medigym is available for the patients. All the patients are given one-on-one attention by the doctors and therapists. Personal training packages for weight loss are also given in the Medigym.
अब नेचुरल रिहैबिलिटेशन में हमने कुछ 4 अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में पेशेंट्स को हेल्प करना स्टार्ट किया है, जिसको हम अलग अलग पैकेजेस में डिवाइड करते हैं। सबसे पहला होता है न्यूरो रिहैब पैकेज, जिसमें हम ऐसे किसी हेल्थ कंडीशन को लेते हैं जिसमें पेशेंट को हेमीप्लीजिया, जिसको हम आम भाषा में पैरालिसिस बोलते हैं, इनकी समस्या रहती है। पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी जैसे केसेस हैं, इन पेशेंट्स को हम ठीक करने में उनको मदद करते हैं नेचुरोपैथी और साथ में रिहैबिलिटेशन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन देके। मेटाबॉलिक पैकेज, मेटाबॉलिक रिहैब पैकेज जिसको हम बोलते हैं, इसमें ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं, जैसे ऐसी कुछ डिसीजेस लेते हैं जैसे डायबिटीज़ हो गया, ओबेसिटी हो गया या थायराइड कंडीशंस हो गई। ऐसे केसेस को लेके उनके हिसाब से, उस डिसीज़ के हिसाब से उनको ट्रीटमेंट देने में हेल्प करते हैं। तीसरा हो गया ऑर्थो रिहैब, जिसमें हम मस्कुलोस्केलेटल डिसीज़, मतलब जो ऐसी डिसीजेस हैं जिसमें मस्कुलेचर से रिलेटेड, मतलब हमारे मांसपेशियों से रिलेटेड या हड्डियों से रिलेटेड कुछ तकलीफ पेशेंट को है, उसमें हम उनको ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल बना के देते हैं और यहाँ पे 1-on-1 सेशन देके उनको ठीक करने में, उनको रिकवरी करने में मदद करते हैं। लास्ट एक होता है वेट लॉस पैकेज, जिसमें हम स्पेसिफिकली ओबेसिटी को टारगेट करते हैं और उनको डाइट के माध्यम से, उनको ट्रीटमेंट के माध्यम से और रिहैबिलिटेशन में एक्सरसाइज के माध्यम से उनको वो वापस पुनर्वस्था में आने में हेल्प होती है।
Ozone therapy. Ozone therapy is introduced into naturopathy for its wide applications for the treatments of circulatory, rheumatism and arthritic conditions and have seen good prognosis in many cases like pain, non-healing ulcers, skin lesions, etc. The treatment administered in the department are BOTO, that is breathing ozone through oil, funneling, ozone steam, periarticular injection, ear insufflation and bagging.
So ozone is a natural compound. So this is the same ozone we use here for treating the illness, treating the ailments. So what kind of ailments do we treat? We treat autoimmune disorders, we treat skin disorders, we treat respiratory disorders, we treat metabolic disorders, we treat joints and muscular disorders. It works so great in a pain management. We also treat cancerous and post-cancerous elements of the body where people find it very difficult that to be treated. We also treat diabetic and non-healing wounds, and this is all about that ozone we treat through. Ozone has many applications. So certain applications like we give ozone through nose, we give ozone through ear, we give ozone as an enema. Okay, we give ozone as a direct application towards the body.
Mind-body medicine. The Department of Mind-Body Medicine deals with a variety of patients with complaints of mental issues with wide complexities. In MBM, various techniques are used to release the suppressed emotions, identify the negative belief and to reprogram it to positive belief. The various techniques used in the department include our hypnotherapy, inner child healing, controlled meditation, etc. Department of Research. The Department of Research at NIN carries out multiple training sessions in clinical research methods across different national level institutes. The Department of Research has trained more than 50 doctors over the past many years.
This intramural research department conducts fellowship courses which are held twice every year with an intake capacity of 10 per batch. All healthcare experts are eligible to apply for this fellowship course, where they get themselves acquainted with all the norms and softwares and technicalities related to basic as well as advanced clinical research in terms of health science. Not just there is training in terms of research as well as statistics, but there is a hand-holding and capacity building that is carried out to help the doctors publish and present their work at a national as well as international platform in the form of articles, conference proceedings as well as different presentations.
Reflexology track. Free hydroreflexology track for rejuvenation is also available. Reflexology track is an important component of naturopathy treatment because it addresses most of the health problems through activating the channels which are lying in our souls. Library. NIN has more than 10,000 books in its vast collection. There is a separate reading room as well as facility of home lending of the books at a minimal rental fees for the general public. Pathology lab. NIN has a new well-equipped fully automated pathology lab within the premises of the institute. Most of the pathological tests for common diseases and conditions are available at an affordable price. Health shop. National Institute of Naturopathy also runs a health shop where natural food, drinks and products are made available to the public. In addition to this, one can also find a variety of books on naturopathy, yoga and other treatment-related equipment like fermentation bag, hip bath tub etc. at subsidized rates. Magazine. NIN also publishes a bilingual magazine in Hindi and English called as Nisarg Upchar Varta. It is available as a monthly subscription magazine to the public at minimal price. Courses offered by NIN. Fellowship programs includes Fellowship on Clinical Research Methodology, Fellowship in Basic and Advanced Acupuncture, Fellowship Program on Gandhian Philosophy, Fellowship Program in Yoga and Physical Culture, Fellowship Program in Lifestyle Management, Skill Development Certificate Courses, Treatment Attendant Training Course, Certificate Course in Naturopathy Cooking, Certificate Course in Massage Therapy, Certificate Course in Acupressure, Certificate Course in Hydro, Chromo and Mud Therapy, Certificate Course in Fitness Training, MediGym, 200 hours Registered Intense Yoga Training, IYT, Certificate Course in Basic Acupuncture, Treatment Assistant Training Course. Approx 80 students are given a 1-year full-time attendant training course. And they are also being provided with a monthly stipend of 5,000 rupees.
The academic cell of National Institute of Naturopathy is offering many courses for the public. The flagship program of NIN is called as the Treatment Assistant Training Course. So this program is open to the students who are willing to make a career as a therapist in the naturopathy field. So we have completed almost 30 batches of this TATC program, and the students across the country have taken part in it, and there are some students who are even serving the state governments by undergoing this course. And there are many programs we offer for the doctors also, and to mention a few, I would say there are fellowship programs in research methodology, fellowship programs in basic and advanced acupuncture. So these two are exclusively meant for doctors for some certificate programs in ozone therapy also, which is now a new inclusion into the naturopathy system. And this we have for two levels. One is at the basic and other one is at the advanced level. And that's only a 4-day program where we offer hands-on training, and all the programs at NIN are with due practical training.
Here I am going to tell you about the skill development courses which NIN is conducting. It's been last almost 3.5 years that we are doing these courses for the general public, and these courses we have almost 6 courses in these which are like fitness course, massage course, acupressure course, and also we are soon going to launch the lifestyle management course by the NIN. The aim of and the objective of these courses is purely to train people for developing the self-help reliance, and which is actually the spreading awareness of the naturopathy at the same time, and also teach people to live drug-free in the today's era, where there are n number of chronic diseases which are happening because of the wrong lifestyles and the wrong living habits, and also eating habits and the mental attitudes. So all of these courses help public for getting the orientation or the introduction with all of these lifestyle orientation issues, and also the other things like yoga. We also have one special course design in yoga, which we say the intensive yoga training, which happens at our center.
हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है रोनाल्ड पारसे। मैं एक रैपर हूँ पुणे से। तो आज मैं मेरे एवियन के बारे में कुछ बात करना चाहता हूँ आपसे। तो मुझे लाइक 7 to 8 मंथ्स पहले एवियन हुआ था। तो मेरे राइट लेग में पेन शुरू हुआ था। तो शुरुआत में मैंने नॉर्मल मेडिकल से पेन किलर्स और वो सब लिया, तो वो पेन काफ़ी टाइम तक रुका नहीं। देन आई वेंट टू अ क्लिनिक, नॉर्मल जो क्लिनिक होते हैं, तो डॉक्टर को बताया, तो उन्होंने भी कुछ पेन किलर्स और मेडिसिन दिए लेकिन उससे भी पेन मेरा रुका नहीं। सो आफ्टर 1 मंथ मैं एक बड़े हॉस्पिटल में गया, एंड वहाँ दे टोल्ड मी टू टेक एन एक्सरे। तो एक्सरे मैंने निकाला, एंड वहाँ पर डॉक्टर को ऐसा लगा कि इट माइट बी एवियन एक्सरे देखकर। फिर उन्होंने कहा कि MRI निकालिए। देन आई टुक आउट एन MRI, और उसमें आया कि इट वाज एवियन स्टेज 2 इन राइट लेग में। तो उसके बाद देन जो एलोपैथी डॉक्टर है उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया कि आई हैव टू गो फॉर टोटल हिप रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी, क्योंकि इसका कोई इलाज नहीं होता। देन तो मैं अभी मेरा एज 27 है, तो मैं बोला अभी सर्जरी तो मतलब नहीं करना चाहिए, मेरे को सही नहीं लगा वो। देन फिर उसके बाद मेरे डैड ने मेरे को सजेस्ट किया कि आई शुड गो फॉर नेचुरोपैथी। मतलब उनको किसी ने बताया था कि यहाँ पर पुणे में नेचुरोपैथी हॉस्पिटल है। देन मैं बोला ठीक है। तो और वो पेन उस वक्त तक बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था, मतलब मेरे को चलने भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था। आई यूज्ड टू टेक पेन किलर्स, और विदाउट पेन किलर मतलब सब दीवार पकड़ के चलना पड़ता था। तो उसके बाद फिर मैं यहाँ पर आया। देन डॉक्टर को मिला, मैं उनको सब रिपोर्ट्स मेरा बताया, उन्होंने देखा। देन वी स्टार्टेड द ट्रीटमेंट, एंड तो डे 1 पे मेरे को उन्होंने बोला है कि आपको वाटर फास्टिंग करना पड़ेगा। फिर वाटर फास्टिंग स्टार्ट किया। तो आई वॉज लाइक 7 days आई वॉज डूइंग वाटर फास्टिंग, और ऐसा फिर 15-16 दिन हो गए। एंड 15-16 दिन में मतलब इतना फ़र्क पड़ा कि मेरा पेन जो है वो कम होना चालू हो गया, मतलब रिड्यूस हो गया पेन काफ़ी। फिर और कुछ दिनों के बाद द पेन वाज लाइक 90% गॉन, एंड मैं चल पा रहा था, सब मतलब चीज़ें कर पा रहा था नॉर्मल। एंड फिर नाउ अभी ऑलमोस्ट मेरे को 1 month होने आया है, मैं ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा हूँ, और फ़र्क काफ़ी है। मतलब 95% मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि पेन मेरा चला गया है। एंड मेरा रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज़, मेरा काम करना बंद हो गया था। मैं स्विगी में काम करता हूँ डिलीवरी का, तो अभी वो मैं कर पा रहा हूँ। लाइक नाउ आई कैन मैं रोज़ एक 60-70 किलोमीटर तो ट्रैवल करता हूँ बाइक पे। Yes, and a very big thank you to Dr. Praveen, Dr. Prajwal, all the doctors in NIN and all the staff जो भी वो therapies देते, treatment करते, वो staff को बहुत धन्यवाद।
Publication of rare textbooks on naturopathy. NIN has published Dr. J.H. Kellogg's book Rational Hydrotherapy. It also published a book Naturopathy Food Concepts. Naturopathic Diet Center. Naturopathic Diet Center is run by the National Institute of Naturopathy, which provides diet facilities to the general public and patients who visit the premises of the institute. National Institute of Naturopathy, Pune, with the active support from the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, has been allocated 25 acres of land by the government of Maharashtra to establish Nisarg Gram Naturopathy Hospital, Medical College, Research Unit and Living Gandhi Memorial. NIN is running a tribal unit at Gohed Budru. Ambegaon Taluk of Pune District. It is on the way to Bhimashankar. It is to provide services to the tribal and the adjacent rural population of the area. The unit has an intake facility of 20 inpatients with free hospital accommodation and food. Some eminent personalities who visited National Institute of Naturopathy are like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Pandit Jawahar Lal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, J.R.D. Tata, Zakir Hussain, etc.